everyone, today I'm going to make juice for my sister. Okay, let's get started. First thing we have to do is wash our hands. So all my hands are clean. Now we need to grab a bowl. Okay, so here is a bowl. Now I'm going to get some basil seeds. So these are basil seeds. We are going to add a bit into our bowl. Like this. There we go. That would be enough. There we go. Now if you want, you can put this into the freezer. Okay, so let's put this into the freezer. Okay, let's keep the bowl right there. Now we need to wait for some time. Until we wait, let's get some pink milk or any. We had to get pink milk out. Here's the pink milk. So I'm gonna get a wash jug and a spoon. Okay, so now let's put in the milk. So add the milk as much as you want. There we go. Okay, next we would need some banana. Here are all the bananas I cut. So now let's add the cut bananas. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, that's everything. Now let's add some fresh milk. Don't forget to stir it. Let's get the basil seeds. Here they are. Wow. So this is how they would look. Looks so good, right? Look at this. Okay, so let's add basil seeds. Let's mix it, mix it, mix it. Ooh, look at this. How yummy it looks. Let's mix it very well. If you want, you could put it in the deep freezer and cool it for a bit, but I think this is enough. Okay, so now we would need some cups. Okay, so that's three. One for my grandmother, one for me, and one for my sister. I don't know why, but my sister likes to drink from a straw. Okay, everyone, time to add the juice. Okay, so these are the three cups. I'm gonna start with my sister's one.
Yes.